Kase Electoral Commission, Director of Operations Ejuma, when I just saw ye, National Semaje, Maye, Finance and Administrating Ejuma, when I just saw ye, Amankwa, or Semaje and also Maya. That is where you say, Waji or Majuma, and what would really get you to the background.
Yeah, but those part of the allegations by the people.
That is also not true because when it came out,
now
we are all being told, say, some of the police stations cry, say, or no not transfer a perceived MPP for Ako, baby, from your say, Sule.
What is it?
Yeah. Contrast I saw now, what the cry say, Georgina Mankwana, and also our most of the contrast. That is the second petition. If you don't know, there's another petition against Georgina Mankwanso. If you don't know, from the same
staff of EC.
That is a different. There was a previous petition I had from who? From the workers of Electoral Commission. Said Georgina Mankwanso.
You know the call Charlotte. It
wasn't Charlotte.
No, but
that is where the whole thing started.
No, you are confusing.
You are not listening. That is why. Listen, if you listen, you understand what I'm saying. Electoral Commission workers say almost staff welfare dues or matching. Georgina Mankwa, any or finance officer now.
Who are the staff?
Electoral Commission staff. Sana Yoko for the
staff.
That was what the report Yoko brought.
Ghost staff.
You see,
anonymous staff tipped them off.
You see, when it was against Madam Georgina,
that wasn't a petition.
You didn't ask for the staff.
That wasn't a petition.
No.
That was anonymous tip. Omudema Yoko said, "Yesikabi, Mami Eddie."
One I would say a petition now.
No. The private one I call president one. That was a petition. Obi, I don't know EC staff or they call president against Georgina Mankwa.
Okay.
Those are two things.
Okay.
What am I saying?
Yes, I know. Sir, so report to Omuma Yoko.
Good. That anyway, Yoko be there was something. And no na Yoko churoko ma Charlotte say ya establish say sikebi say ampa ye year free staff welfare dues no. It ma deputy ntwe no ho na investigation. That was the only time Madam Charlotte say edin bam. She never wrote to the Yoko. And you trust her letter no. And number 2, asem no I say ye bo asem na we are all not seeing the machinations of the MPP in this whole matter. Oma sheda pass kwan bia ye be fa so ye be yi mami ye free ho ye be yi na free ho ni ya kwan bi so na ye niema e chese ye na 2020 kwan bia ye be fa so ye be wini bia ye be fa so no. That is what they are doing.
Okay, now manipulate electoral system no. Is that the logic?
You can get access. But access no. Access no. Mistake now. We hear mutimudi wura mu say we are correct.
Madam Georgina Mankwane Amadu Suleiman, but it's only Madam Charlotte. So why?
You are not getting the point too.
I'm not getting it.
This is something going on. Adom MPP for so omonka Georgina Mankwane Amadu Suleiman asem. Adena Georgina Mankwa petition no kwa ye yan leak am public.
Oh, no, I don't know it.
Huh?
Oh, leak here.
Can you speak to it? Only the one on no. There is nothing you can't see anything.
Petition to
Flagstaff House. But Adena Madam Charlotte said we decided to try the whole thing in the media before it even went to the Chief Justice.
Okay.
Which I said, petition a call presidency, that same petition and a call Yoko, word for word, no difference. Against Charlotte say the same thing, word for word, no difference.
But who sent to Yoko?
Who
sent to Yoko?
And yet, for now, Omo say Omo petition president. Omo is at the call.